Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you want to know how to get your glueless install done and learn some makeup tips, then this video is for you. Don't forget to hit the like button and share. If you're stopping by for the first time, hi, do subscribe to my channel for more beauty updates and lifestyle. So let's delve right into this video. Start with I prepped and protected our skin, then moving on to prepping our natural edges for installation. Using my got2b holding spray, then place the wig on the prepped areas, ensuring it's in place. While doing this process, always feel free to ask your model or your client to help you secure the wig hair to hair before placing the melt band so it doesn't move. Now moving on to the face by cleaning and prepping and applying my Adventure foundation in Fawn. Then I highlighted the under eye using my Maybelline Fitme concealer. Now moving on to contouring using my Rimmel contour stick. Now moving on to the brows using my brow tamer to set the natural brows in place. Moving on to the blush using the dry technique. Moving on to eyeshadow application using my concealer as my eyeshadow base. Now I'm applying the eyeshadow using the Morphe palette. Moving on to transition shades, using my transition shades from the F&M powder palette. Now prepping the natural lashes using my Zaron Mascara. Guys, it's important to always use a mascara before applying your false lashes. It helps reduces the eyeshadow fallouts. So we moved on to apply the false lashes. And guys, if you have a client or model with coily natural lashes, please take your time while you apply the lashes. I know it's always a struggle, but trust me, you can do it without the lid showing under the false lashes. So please take your time. Now moving on to the lips using a brown shade for the outer part of the lips and a nude shade on the inner part of the lips. Then we sealed it up with a lip gloss. So that will be all for this video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.